Good morning, folks. Here's your announcements for next week, the 8th week of 4th quarter, the 10th through the 14th. Yada, yada, yada. All right. I don't know if you can tell, but in the background, I got this super duper cool picture of, it looks like a medieval mason ringer. So if you're going to go to the play this weekend, I hope you have a good time. Good luck, break legs, all those who are in it. Junior high announcements. First, please click on this brief survey to tell me whether you're doing band next year or just chorus or whatever you're doing for next year. Next Friday is a chorus day, which means 7th graders, you have lessons during 4th hour, so bring your instruments during 4th hour. 5th graders, here's your assignments. Auxiliary is Clara, Ember, Gwen, Chaz. Bring your snare drums for when there's no aux part. Bells is Avery, Maya, Braxton, Allison, and snare drum is Addison, Isaac, Elliott, Lucas. 8th graders, there's freshman marching band camp on May 26th from 3:30 to 5:30. That's going to be at the high school. I will be feeding you guys pizza at 5:30, so be there for that. If you are quarantined, go ahead and join us on your band days. You can see the schedule right here. Today is a 7th grade band day. All right. High school kids, again, please fill out this survey to tell me if you'll be doing band or chorus or both or whatever for next year. Next Friday is a chorus day. High school graduation is our next thing. Thanks for a great concert. Had a lot of fun and got a lot of positive feedback. You guys made some really nice sounds at that concert, so good job there. Graduation is the 16th. That's a Sunday. The ceremony starts at 3. Our call time is 2 so that we can warm up and get set up and stuff like that. We'll be playing Pomp and Circumstance as well as some exit music that I'll be giving you all on Monday. Memorial Day is the thing we have after that. That's May 31st at Gridley. We'll be meeting at 10 o'clock to warm up at the junior high, and we'll be getting bused at 10:30 for the parade and 11 o'clock to the ceremony at the cemetery. So the attire for that, I'll have to add this in, is jeans and a patriotic nice shirt if you have one. We want to make sure that we are wearing nice pants and nice shorts. Nothing with lots of holes, nothing that's super grimy. Just want to be looking nice for our veterans. If you're quarantined, go ahead and hop on Zoom with us during class, and that's about all there is to it. Thanks, folks. Have a great weekend.